Yeah, I was trying to get the bright light on for everybody, but man, I don't know what people are complaining about. It's hilarious. I don't think they realize what a Jordan 4 is supposed to look like. I'm gonna get four pairs. I'm gonna get these, the black, reimagined, cement reimagined out. I'm gonna get the what the fours out because that to me is the best leather of any um, four GR side, and it's the leather was even better than the Paris fours, Paris Saint Germain fours. The you got and Dick's, man. Dick's will never. They don't. Everybody else's boxes were toe up, not Dick's. Dick's give you the no, not even a bump in the box. But yeah, we got some pairs. We got some pairs of these yesterday. What a nice release they did for these because it's about availability, man. Everything in life is availability. People create a lot of illusion off of inavailability, things being unavailable. Industries are created off making things unavailable. You have cities where something might be 2 miles away, but people got to take two trains to get to those places because of inefficiency that's created intentionally. Well, I just wanted to give some first thoughts. Turn these around to the front end. Look at the widow's peak and whatnot real quick. There's your widow's peak right there. Boop. Your widow's peak right there. Boop. Flight patch on the tongue. Fake claims of bleeding when this is exactly how they were in 89. Red underneath because that thread, if anybody knows anything about sewing, of course, with a white nylon, it's completely see-through, and it's a fire red. It's not a gym red. It's not a team red. It's not a varsity red. It's a fire red. The brightest other than infrared 23, the color, not the shoe. It's a specific color in the Jordan spectrum. The order of reds is from brightest to darkest. See if I can remember this off the top of my head. No, I'm sorry. Crimson, regular infrared, infrared 23, flip infrared and infrared 23. Lightest to darkest, crimson, fire red, university red, varsity red, team red is the dark one. Gym red is in between university and team is almost dark as maroon. Yeah, I'm loving these. I couldn't be more pleased. Couldn't be more pleased. I haven't checked all my other pairs yet, but I'll do that. And I'm not too worried off the looks of this. Hope everybody got their pair, enjoys them, and this is the best sneaker of all time. And there's no doubt about it. I'm looking at it 36 years later and the same exact feeling as I did back then. Have a blessed Memorial Day holiday.